Okay, guys. Good afternoon. So we are here at with workspace from the stocks. Okay, so as you can see here, the system is working very well today too. I think the workspace is ready. Okay, so if you want the workspace, send me an email. Okay, so if you own the Bidaskmultimarket correlation, well, you just need to put the workspace. You don't need to code anything. Everything is already coded for you. Okay, so as you can see, ATRs again working very well. You see the reversal here by the imbalance pattern here cut the low of the day here, and it reversed. You see correlation that's pushing. ATRs as always supporting, and you see the market going in a hurry. Then we see another high frequency triangle here. Okay, so the market is pushing up. The Qs over here, the high frequency trading triangle. The tape was going quickly here. As you can see the skid lines, the blue and the magenta, where the tape was 80% bearish or bullish. Okay, so you follow the herd. Okay, so that's what you need to do, guys. You see the ATR holding again. Okay, this thing works over and over again. You don't need to trade, guys, all day long. You just need a little bit of time to trade. Okay, so you see the signal here. For example, in Tesla, you see Tesla hitting buyers, trapped buyers here, 68,000 shares. These were buying down here. We made a reversal. Okay, as always, you can wait for the ATR. Okay, the reversal from the ATR. You see, trap traders got hit here because the trend was down. Okay, so it was correct. These guys did it correctly. The ATR hold it, and they started shorting again. Okay, so people got stopped out here, and they reversed the market again. Then they got trapped here and reversed it again. Okay, so because these guys work in correlation, guys, remember that. Yeah, these guys work in the same way. You see, we have a vertical line with high volume or in both charts. Okay, so in Tesla and Apple. Okay, so as you can see, they reversed the market here,
Short signal Tesla.
66,000 shares here short. So these guys have been very active all day long. So it's a lot of movement, guys. It's millions and millions and millions of shares. I am really amazed of these markets. These guys really push the market very strong. Okay, as you can see, we have a high frequency triangle here again. So this is extremely quickly, guys. This is extremely quickly. It was like a 1 second. You see it here again. This is a large sellers, guys. But you need to look for exact good areas where to, where it's logical for you to trade. Okay, if you are above the linear, I mean the ATRs. Okay, why would you short? It's nonsense. Okay, so what we're looking here, if we are above now, and you see the blue skid lines all over the tape here in every instrument. Okay, so you need to go long. Okay, so if you can go in trade options. Okay, weekly options. Those are very volatile too. So you can catch 100 $200 really quickly here in this trade. This was like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. This was like huge long. Okay, so here is your radar. This is what you need to have on your charts. Okay, so if you want to be profitable, you see the buyers here. Let me see over here. You see the buyers here in the tape. I mean, this was the imbalance, visual imbalance indicator. We got another one here. But remember how these guys work,
Short
okay?
signal Tesla.
They work up and down, like as you can see here, up and down, up and down, up and down. You know,
Short
staircase to the
signal
upside.
Tesla.
We see more sellers in the tape now because we see a support over here. I see the support. I mean the resistance. See correlation dots down. Apple was long way down before so it was a divergence. We see high frequency traders hitting the tape on the Qs. So as you can see, everything can go down quickly.
Short signal SPY.
See, it took 5 seconds to short 55,566 stocks. And we see 111,896 stocks. They shorted in the 4 instruments. You see one, two, we see another visual imbalance here, 2, 3, 4.
Short signal SPY.
That's why I always tell you guys, these guys sell in baskets. These guys sell in baskets. So that's why I will tell you not to, try to grab those big home runs like they say, "Yeah, I'm gonna, keep long all day long." No, guys. These guys, algorithms. There's no such thing as overbought or oversold in this type of markets. These algorithms, those MACDs and all that thing is from the past, guys. You see these algos, they just push and push and push, and they copy what the other neighbor is doing. This is what these guys do all day long. These guys, if everything else is short, if Peter is short and it is high frequency trading, they'll go follow Peter. So that's what these guys do. And John follows Peter, and Peter follows Paul, and they know who is retail trader and they know who is high frequency trader. They already know that. Remember too, these guys have insider information, guys. This is not like this is a mafia. These guys really, they already know what they're gonna do, where they're gonna reverse. It's retailers against those guys. That's what they do. It's that simple. It's that clear. Okay, so you cannot trust these guys. They will always play hot hands with your money, And you saw over here, it was a clear short in the 4 instruments. I would have bought a put here in the spiders. Already got $400 right here, $300 out. That's what you need to do, out quickly. Okay, so everything, put your PC to work, guys. That's those i7s and i9s computers. They are not just good for watching YouTube videos. You put them to work. That's what you need to do, guys. Put them to work. Okay,
Short
let the
signal
software do
Tesla.
the work for you. Okay, you just digest what you see. Okay. Okay, guys. So if it's time for me to go, if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Short signal Tesla. Short signal Tesla. Long signal Tesla. Signal Aapl. Long signal spy. Long signal Aapl. Long signal spy. Long signal spy. Long signal spy. Long signal spy. Long signal Aapl. Long signal spy. Long signal spy.